Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have another not quite newly launched, but it's a newly launched product. It is the L'Oreal newly launched shampoo. So if you don't know about which product I'm talking about, I'll just show you guys. I am talking about this range from L'Oreal, which is their basically repair range, I guess. This is, sorry, their dream length range. So yes, if you want to know about this product or how they react on my hair or how they react generally, might be on dry hair, then keep on watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before we go ahead in the video, and also make sure to like the video if you like the video and share it with your friends. And let's just begin the video now. Okay, the product I'm going to talk about is L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Restoring Shampoo with keratin and castor oil. It intensely repairs the length, and it acts on the long damaged hair as well. So there are two things that this shampoo does. First of all, it repairs your shampoo and it gives you like long hair, by the way. Okay guys, first things first, L'Oreal this time played with the packaging. L'Oreal came out of its comfort zone and it made the packaging in such yellow and pink color. I guess this is orange and pink color, right? So it played really hard with the packaging. Out of the comfort zone, we rarely see basics when it comes to packaging in L'Oreal, but this is quite impressive and eye-catching packaging, and L'Oreal played it. I mean, if this is placed on a superstore, I would definitely pick it up just because of its packaging. I mean, I would definitely see what's on the back of the shampoo, but again, the packaging is so good. They were not in boxes because that's how L'Oreal usually do it. It does not give you any sort of boxes for shampoo and all. They were like this only. There was no external or outer box which has like everything mentioned. Whatever information you have on the product, you will get on this shampoo or leave-in cream or in the conditioner only. So you will not get a box so that you have like detailed information. Talking about the availability, it is available almost in all the online and offline stores, but you can get it from easily from Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart. These are the websites which are like easily holding it. There's no hustle getting your product from these websites. This range is quite affordable. The price is quite cheap, and you will get these from like 99 rupees up to 400-500. Like the price differ according to the packaging. Like for this one, we have 400 milliliter of shampoo here, and it costs 299 rupees, which is quite affordable, and it will last you for at least 4 to 5 months. If I talk about the conditioner and the leave-in cream, the conditioner of this size, which is like 71 ml, is for 99 rupees, and this leave-in cream was quite expensive. It was for like 499 rupees. Yeah, but I got everything on off from Nykaa, so I always suggest you guys to buy your cosmetics or all these products from online stores, because they get like heavy discounts. I got this whole package for 600 or 700 rupees. So I just keep a note here. I always forget prices, so that's why I always say that I'll leave a note or something like that. But this is quite an affordable range, guys. Okay, all the information regarding the shampoo, like the expiry date, manufacturing date, their price, packaging, I mean, what does it contain, everything is written on the back of shampoo only. They have given everything on the back of shampoo. There is no box, so there is no detailed information as well. So talking about the individual products, but thoda sa about the individual products I'm going to tell you. Then I'm going to tell you about my experience, what I felt with this range. By the way, I am holding this range for more than like 4 to 5 months, so I have pretty good ideas that what if it does the things it claims or not. So let's just talk about the shampoo first. First of all, it is white in color. Like it has frothy white texture. I mean, it has just a normal shampoo wala texture. But when it comes to smell, we know L'Oreal how you react on smell. So yeah, its smell is quite strong. It's quite comparative to the Dove one, because I feel like his shampoo the smell काफी strong था. And this brings me to another fact, that this shampoo contains sulfates. Yes, this is not a sulfate free shampoo. This range contains sulfates. So I want to give you guys a quite comparison here, that L'Oreal Paris and the professional range of L'Oreal are totally different. They are the professional range without any sulfates and with all those good contents. But this range, because affordable, cheap and everything, this has like a lot of sulfates in it. So yes, when you pick it up, you definitely have this in in mind that you're picking up the sulfates for your hair. If you are someone who is okay with this, with having sulfates in the shampoo, then this works really well for you. Now I'm just gonna talk about my experience with this shampoo. So when I washed my hair with the shampoo, it definitely deeply cleansed my scalp, my hair. They were deeply cleansed, but alone this shampoo cannot be used. Even at least I cannot use it on my dry hair, because it makes only the use of this shampoo makes the hair dry, rough, unmanageable, and it's not like they're detangled. So yes, if you're using the shampoo alone, then you cannot expect, oh my god, that silky mane you cannot expect. Now, if I talk about this conditioner, I really love this conditioner. Now, this one is a detangling conditioner. It detangles your hair, it smoothens your hair, it gives your hair such a fresh and bouncy look that you always want to run your fingers in your hair. So this is how it looks like, and it looks basically like a conditioner only, and it smells amazing as well. It smells better than the shampoo, so I like this one. So I would say that it definitely detangled my hair, smoothened my hair, and my hair looks much better with the use of this like conditioner. Well, coming to the last product. Now this one is also a very good product. It is basically the leave-in cream, and it works on split end, and it strengthens length and tips. Okay, so they say this is no haircut cream, because we get haircut tired of those split ends also. They say that it will help you with that as well. Now this has keratin, vitamins, castor oil. I told you guys that the basic ingredients remain the same, but here is the catch. I also mentioned that you can use this product for styling, which I am totally against. If you use this for styling your hair, I mean for getting the waves or for curls, or if you're getting any sort of styling, if you think that it will give you a better hold, then no, that's a total no. It will not give you the hold basically. So yes, this works beautifully. You can use it with shampoo only. If you are running out of time, you cannot do the conditioning, you just use this one with the shampoo. It will make your hair beautiful, detangle your hair, get detangles, manageable, and they get silky, soft, and again you can walk your you can walk your hands in your hair and you feel very good. But you cannot style your hair with the use of this product. This is only a leave-in conditioner sort of cream, which will make your hair feel better and more manageable for like 4-5 days. So yeah, and also you cannot use it on dry hair, only use it on like damp or wet hair, because it makes your hair more oily if you use it on dry hair. So I will definitely not recommend you guys to use it on your like dry hair, yeah, because it will make them oily. Okay, you guys, that was my mini review, or if the video has gone long, I don't know. Okay, that was my review on the L'Oreal Dream Length range. Now, talking about the repair, I definitely did not feel anything about the repair ki my hair got repaired or they are like better than before. No, I did not feel that sort of result, but definitely the hair length has increased. I did not get a haircut from so long, but I would say the hair length has increased. My hair was like shorter, but now they're a little bigger, so my hair length is like increased. But if I talk about the repairing wala thing, I did not feel anything. So that was my mini review about these L'Oreal Dream Length range, guys. If you like the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and watch more videos in the description bar, or which might be coming on your screen.